everyone, Carol's here today and I am back with a brand new box opening of a reborn baby. Sorry about the layout, I don't really have much space to actually film like a proper box opening, but we'll do as best as we can. So if you're new to my channel and you're wondering why my eye is closed, I had surgery a week ago. Yeah. Ooh, looks like loads of goodies. My last one, I got this baby from the same lady that I got Sky from. She's from on Facebook, and I definitely recommend purchasing from her. Reasonable prices as well, so if you are interested then pop me in a comment. There's loads of duct tape on this, guys, so there we go. We're in. Just got one more corner. And we're in. I don't know why I just took this as no I didn't. So it just flew out though. So the first thing on here is a little tiny teddy bear keyring. That is so adorable. Oh, so cute. Oh, and there's another one. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my god, I love them. Here's some clothes, some Mickey Mouse clothes. So we've got this baby girl. That's so cute. I love doing box openings that have goodies inside. A little hat. Cute. This rainbow baby girl. That is a beautiful colour. Love it. So cute. Some little leggings with a frilly butt, or trousers with a frilly butt. So these are a brand George, so they'll be from Asda. Next for the baby girl. Next for the hat. And Primark for this one. Next is a vest, so they'll go nice with them trousers. That's from Asda as well. Next is a long sleeve dress. This is H&M. That is adorable. Next we have a romper. This is adorable as well. So it's blue polka dot with blue flowers. Where's this one from? This is from Asda as well. That is adorable. I need to get in the right position. I've got really bad backache and neck ache. Next is like this pale pink vest, and it's got like little, can't really tell, rabbits, mice, I don't know. My eyesight's still a bit blurry. That looks like the Mothercare label. Is that still a thing? I don't know. That's cute. Next got this like mustardy leggings from Fred and Flo. I've never actually heard of that. But they're cute. Like a nice autumny colour. Next we've got what they call a bib. Oh, that's a nice material. That's cute. Alright, is that everything? Let's get you out. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, she's a heavy girl. Let's pop it there a second because we've got another outfit here, another baby grow. Just like this nice pink colour with love hearts on it. Now I've got a notification from eBay. Can't be bothered to read that. And will this one be Asda or whatever? I don't know. Try to find the label. Yes, Asda. Okay, so she's in this nice fleecy blanket. I'll just get straight to it, guys, so let me just get closer. So you guys ready to see this beautiful little girl? And 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, she's so cute. Oh my god, look at her. Oh, she is stunning. Oh my god, look at those beautiful blue eyes. Let me just turn the camera around because you guys need to see how stunning she is. Look at her, guys. Oh my god. She is beautiful. Looks like she's got little outfits. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, stunning. Let's see if I can get your hand out. I can't get to her hand. So these are little handies. Oh, I can't get it to focus properly. Darn it. Why, camera? Why won't you focus? Or is it focusing? It's just because my eye's blurry. I have no idea. Oh, so cute. Look at these little legs and the little toes. Oh, so cute. I am in love. I'll be posting her on my Facebook page, which is Love for All Reborns, if you are interested to go and follow. I don't know what I'm going to call her yet, but she is stunning. I love her. So thank you ever so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more. Rate this video. The camera ain't doing the justice of the details, but she's got so much details, but the camera's not picking it up. But anyway, comment down below what videos you want to see or whatever, and I will speak to you in my next video. Goodbye.